I'm Theresa. I'm a laboratory assistant here at CHEAR, and I'm going to be demonstrating the shoulder press for you. So you can either do this standing or seated. I tend to prefer the standing version since it's a little better for overall muscle activation, but you could also do the seated version if your main goal is to progressively overload the amount of weight you're using and need extra stability. So I'm going to start by tightening my core and grabbing my weights. If you don't have dumbbells, you can also use water bottles or anything a little heavier, and push them straight up. And then on the way down, you want to tuck in your elbows a little and bring them to a 90-degree angle. So ideally you want to do about 6 to 8 repetitions of this with enough weight that it's challenging to reach that 6th rep.